Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, exciting news on the twin turbo V6. We got I guess a decent project on it, and we're gonna get to work here in a minute. But supposedly there's like a hurricane or something out there today, but so far it's a nice day. Maybe we'll get a nice breeze because it's been stupid hot here in Florida. I mean, like stupid hot. So hot that I've kind of put this project off just because I didn't want to be in the garage and dealing with the heat. But so today, what we're doing today, and I promise you guys in the next few videos we're gonna have some actual fun with the car, because I'm kind of done with working on the car. I want to actually have some fun with it, but we got a job today, so let's get it done. We're doing a shifter, and this is MGW X-Spec, and I ordered this a while back, probably about 2 months ago. And it took almost a month just to get it because MGW was backed up with all their orders, with everything going on in the world. But it's a nice kit. I mean, quality is ridiculously good. And so I'll show you guys. I got the, I guess this is what they call the gripper ball. I just got the numbers. You could put all types of different, you could pick. One thing I do like about the MGW is you could pretty much customize it to how you want. Gives you many different options on colors, on shifters, on shifter balls and all that stuff. So pretty cool. It's a complete kit and I'm happy with it. I want to see how much of a pain in the ass it's going to be, because I'm not pulling the exhaust. I'm going to try to do it how the MGW video does it, which they have a great video online. This isn't going to be a how-to video. This is just, you know, we're going to install it, and then hopefully if the weather is okay, we'll go out, take it for a spin, and see how she feels compared to what I have now. What I have now is this is the Boomba Racing short shifter and bracket, which is back here somewhere, but it's down on the underneath the car. Which this has made a nice difference to the MT82. If you know anything about the MT82, you know it's a very sloppy, not so good transmission. But so far my MT82 has held up fine. It gets a little whiny at low speeds, but I know I've looked it up and I've gone on forums, and the MT82, especially when you add more torque to it, they tend to get whiny, but so far mine's held up fine, and I have no intentions of beefing it up until I have an issue with it. The day I have an issue with it, then I'll worry about you know, sending it to Calimer and have him beef it up and just go from there. But anyways, Boomba Racing, it's been good. This is a good, how you say, band-aid to the sloppiness and the lockout of the MT82, because it gives it a decent feel. My personal issue with it is just I feel it's a little too short. And I mean, this gives it about 25% less throw, which is pretty decent. But I just feel it's a little too short, and it's still, I mean, it's not bad. It definitely tightens up the MT82. But I don't know, I feel like it should be, I don't know, I would like it to be a little bit taller. I don't know, I'm asking for a short shifter to be taller. I don't know, it's stupid, but whatever. We're gonna start with the outside first. Yeah, sorry, I've kind of gone a little carbon crazy lately with this car. The dang steering wheel came carbon, and I said screw it, now I need more carbon. And it's all this fake carbon crap, but I kind of like it. I know some people are gonna be like, oh, it's just fake carbon, I don't care, but still. Anyway, see, put a little more there. I'm gonna add a few more pieces here and there, and I think it looks pretty good. Also changing out the boot, both boots, because I feel it's gonna be too much red, since the shifter is red, and it's time. I figured it's time, might as well do it now since I'm taking everything apart. So we're going back to a black boot but this one, it's gonna have red stitching. I think that's gonna be look real nice. Let's go ahead and start taking this sucker apart. Hopefully I don't spend all day in this dang garage, because I'm doing it on my own. I'm gonna have my wife help me a little bit here and there when I was supposed to have Hobby help me, but he kind of ditched me and went out of town. But it's okay, I forgive him. We're supposed to do this together, because you know, when it comes to trans work, I'm an expert on his car, well, his old car. But anyways, I'm not better or nothing. That shifter over there is basically the best in the market. I know Barton, some of the Barton guys say, oh no, Barton's the best. I went back and forth, and after everything I've read, everybody said pretty much MGW was the best, but Barton is I guess just a great second option. And There's a reason why these suckers were. I could have actually ordered a Barton from basically, I don't know, American Muscle or something. You could have ordered it, and if you want an MGW, you had to wait. So I figured there was a reason then. So removing the center console is not hard at all. So you just, there's some covers here. Remove the covers. You have 2 bolts, 7mm, and then that's pretty much it. Then you just get some kind of plastic pry tool or a flathead. Just pop them out right here in the corners, and literally just lifts right up, and just disconnect your boot, and that's it. It's not hard at all. Now we're gonna get the boot out and try to start, because we need to remove the actual Boomba shifter. And if anybody wants a shifter, it's a good shifter. It does a good job. I just wanted something that's a little taller and maybe a little notchier, and I think the MGW is gonna do that job. But if anybody wants it, hit me up on my Instagram, and I'll cut you a good deal on it. I'm gonna sell this with the bracket together, and I'll show the bracket once we get under the car. All right, guys, so stock shifter is out. Wasn't that terrible to do. It took me a little over an hour, and I'm taking my time with it. I'm not in a crazy hurry since I am working on the hurricane conditions. Watch out. Anyway, I guess next, I think I gotta remove, I don't know, some more crap. But as you can see, it's a lot of stuff that's got to be taken out, but it's all linkage and all this crap. And I'm doing it, I guess, taking me the harder way, because I don't want to remove exhaust or drive shaft. So you have to remove some more stuff just to get everything out. But that's the way MGW does it on their video. I guess they kind of show you the harder way of doing it. And honestly, it hasn't been that bad. Start putting on the new stuff, and then we'll go have some fun. Hopefully, if the hurricane finally gets here or not. So basically, everything on the bottom car is done. Shifter's installed. Still got to do the top end. You know, fix the boot and all that other crap. But shifter's in, and it looks good. Feels good. It's definitely notchier. A lot notchier than the last shifter. Wasn't terrible. I've taken my time with it. I've taken breaks and stuff, and I think I might have 2.5 to 3 hours in it, like going. So it's not bad. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger pain in the butt, but wasn't that bad at all. We're done. Man, it just feels so different. It's very, I don't know how you say it. It's more mechanical feeling. You definitely feel it more, but it's also very short and precise. So, car's still up in the air. Gonna get it off to jack stands now, but really happy with the results. And I guess we gotta go drive it, of course. Here's that bracket I was talking about. This is the Boomba racing bracket. It came with the shifter. Look at my mess of tools. I just dump out everything. So this comes together with the shifter and the shifter ball. So I'll probably end up selling that. Alright guys, so car's warmed up. We're gonna take it for a drive. It's ready to go. Let's see what she does. First reaction is, I'll tell you right now, you're definitely gonna feel like more vibration. It's mounted to the trans, so you're gonna definitely feel, like right now I can feel it. So that's just gonna come with the territory. Anything that's gonna be mounted to the trans. I know the Barton gives you the option of trans or body. So, but either way, I knew that from the beginning from all the reviews I've seen. Reverse is different now. It's not anything to pull up. So basically, reverse is push down and reverse. So it's just push down now. I have to get used to that. Yep, that felt good. Well, you could definitely feel the vibration though. It's definitely more mechanical. That's gonna take getting used to. You can literally almost feel it like the transmission spinning. It feels very, very precise. Like I'm not having to search for the gear sometimes like with the MT82. mean, it's tight. It's definitely tight. Oh, see, I was wrong here. Alright guys, so there it is, MGW X-Spec, ripper ball, flat stick, blah blah blah, whatever. Feels good, very mechanical, very precise, just better, definitely better feeling than anything stock. You know, stock they want you to make it feel comfortable. This is gonna make it feel more race car, plain and simple. But really happy with the way it feels, really happy with the way the car is running at the moment. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you like some more of this kind of content. We're gonna have some fun with this car real soon, and hopefully Javi will get something soon. If not, he still has the red Mustang, so he's not Mustang-less, he still has a red Mustang. So that's it guys, I hope you guys stay safe out there and have a good one.